heart where brotherhood shines bright. United we stand, guided by the light. With hands of charity, we build and we care. In the spirit of freedom, our values we share. Gran Logia Independencia Del Oriente, our beacon we rise with pride. Independence and honor, forever our guide. Together we strive, through darkness and dawn. In unity we flourish, as one we belong. With wisdom and strength, we forge our own way, upholding the truth in all that we say. In service and kindness, we make our mark, lighting the path, igniting the spark. Gran Logia Independencia Del Oriente, our beacon we rise with pride. Independence and honor, forever our guide. Together we strive, through darkness and dawn. In unity we flourish, as one we belong. Let the pillars of justice and love ever stand. With courage and faith we join hand in hand. For the future we build, in the name of the past. In the bonds of our brotherhood, freedom will last. Gran Logia Independencia Del Oriente, our beacon we rise with pride. Independence and honor, forever our guide. Together we strive, through darkness and dawn. In unity we flourish, as one we belong. So here's to the journey, the lessons we've learned. In the warmth of our circle, our passions affirmed. Gran Logia Independencia Del Oriente, forever we sing. In the heart of the East, our legacy rings.